Hello, I'm Gary Wright and I'm here at Cyber Singapore 2015. And today I'm with Rhomaios Ram from Deutsche Bank. Can I ask you, on digital, how would you define digitalisation?
We've obviously been using technology in banks for quite a long time. We've used it for automating all kinds of processes. In the 80s we were automating back office, in the 90s we were automating front office, and in the 2000s we've been automating our connectivity to our clients. So in some sense, digital is nothing new to us. So what does the new digitalization really mean? This is really about taking the digital assets that we've created through that process of automation and utilizing them in a way that allows us to create processes in a way that we couldn't have imagined in an analog world. So in essence, we're doing things in a completely different way and reimagining the experience for our customers. So what's the benefit for the customers in this process? They get to have a better experience. They get things at the time that they get to use whatever service it is that they want at the time that they would like it, at the moment that they need it, and ultimately it takes out a lot of the sort of high cost, low frills elements of the services that we currently have.
And what progress do you think transaction banks have made with digitalisation to date?
Actually, transaction banks have made some progress with digitalisation. There's a lot of work that's gone on around user experience. I hear my fellow banks talking about that, and we at Deutsche have produced the app market where we've really got into the user experience over the last 4 or 5 years. We've also been using artificial intelligence in some of our processes, for example, payments processing, for quite some time. However, there's still a long way to go, and to really take advantage of true digitalization, we actually need to change our end-to-end processes to utilize these assets in a different way. So I'd say we're some way into the journey, but we're really at the beginning, and there's quite a long journey for us to continue with.
Do fintechs have a role to play in helping transaction banks to digitize?
So definitely fintechs can play a role in helping us to digitalize. There's 2 ways I really foresee it. So one is we have an existing infrastructure that makes us less agile than we'd like, and we can definitely utilize the services of fintechs in order to produce products in a much more rapid manner than we would otherwise be able to. The second reason is actually we're not going to be having all of the good ideas, so it's better that we integrate some of the services from some of these fintechs into the products and services that we make available to our clients, rather than trying to develop everything ourselves. The key for us is really around how do we build a platform for them to integrate into, and that's the next challenge for us to overcome.